Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to connect an external application to our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. In this case, we want to connect a glass reactor to the PRESTO system. The temperature will be controlled with an external temperature sensor. Let's have a look at the PRESTO. First of all, you have to switch off the PRESTO and disconnect it from the mains voltage. To ensure the best performance, we offer special insulated tubes in different lengths. Please make sure that you do not bend the tubes too much and do not go below the specified bending radius. For more convenient connection, we also offer various elbow fittings or quick couplings. Our pro tip: for really smooth connections, you can additionally use an anti-seize spray or paste. On the back of the PRESTO, you will find two connections that are closed with a collar nut. One is labeled output and the other one is labeled input, so you know in which direction the fluid will circulate. To connect the reactor tubes, simply loosen the two nuts with a wrench and connect them with the recommended torque to the PRESTO. The output is always connected to the lower connection of the reactor and the inlet with the upper connection. In this way, air can escape correctly from the external system. Finally, don't forget to connect the external temperature sensor like this PT100. In JULABO's portfolio of accessories, you will find many options for further temperature sensors. Our tip: for easy connection of the external application to the PRESTO system, our quick couplings are suitable. This makes it easy to change reactors, for example, without having to completely drain the temperature control medium at the PRESTO. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.